Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by playing the video so you can hear the offset. This is essential because the fix must be applied live. Once playing, press J to delay audio or K to advance it. These keys change audio sync in small steps while you watch lips and sound. Make adjustments until voice matches mouth movements. You do this because live correction avoids re-encoding. It changes playback timing directly, giving immediate feedback and letting you lock the correct millisecond offset. Once you have an approximate offset, open Tools, then track synchronization to refine it numerically. You can type the millisecond value shown after using J/K, which is faster than repeated keystrokes and gives precise control. Make small changes, for example test forward or back by 50 to 200 ms, because many problems are within that range. This method works because VLC applies a fixed audio delay to the playback pipeline, aligning audio timing to the decoded video frames without altering the file itself. To finish, save your working setup or remember the millisecond value for future playback. Saving a playlist keeps file reference but not the offset, so note the number. If the problem returns, make sure your audio drivers are current and then change VLC's audio output module in Preferences because device output mismatches cause persistent delay. If that fails, test another player, but most delays are resolved by correcting the sync value. And if you still have issues, restart VLC and reapply the offset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.